All right, let's just focus now. Justice Yashwant Verma, who has been accused of corruption and facing the possibility of impeachment over a scandal involving burnt cash in his bungalow, has approached the Supreme Court in the cash haul case. Justice Verma has sought to invalidate a report by an in-house inquiry panel that found strong inferential evidence of his active control over the cash that was found. Justice Verma has also sought to quash the May 8th recommendation by then Chief Justice of India, Sanjeev Khanna, urging Parliament to initiate his impeachment. The judge contended that the recommendation was based on an unsustainable report prepared through a process that ran completely roughshod over his rights as a constitutional functionary and an individual. The petition comes just ahead of the monsoon session of Parliament that begins next week and which will see the government begin the process of impeaching the judge.
ईडी जब जांच करती है तो समय तो लगता ही है। दूसरा, हम कोई वो पॉलिटिकल हमारे अपोनेंट है इसलिए पॉलिटिकल वेंडेटा से कोई कार्रवाई करते हैं, ये हमारी सरकार की नीयत ही नहीं होती है। अगर उन्होंने कोई गड़बड़ किया है तो उनको फेस करना चाहिए। हम इतना ही कहना चाहते हैं इस मसले पे कि रॉबर्ट वाड्रा कानून से ऊपर नहीं है। अगर कोई दूसरा आदमी गड़बड़ करता तो उसको सजा मिलती, तो रॉबर्ट वाड्रा को क्यों नहीं मिले?
All right, I'm going to go straight across to Nalini for more details on that story. Nalini, as far as Justice Verma is concerned, talk to us about what are the options really. He is now exploring, obviously, his legal options. But with the monsoon session beginning next week, it does look like the noose around him is tightening, isn't it?
Well, Sneha, there's no doubt about the fact that this has been timed very strategically, keeping in mind the upcoming monsoon session, also keeping in mind that ahead of the monsoon session, the government has been reaching out to several political parties to bring everybody on the same page to create consensus so that a successful impeachment motion can be passed in the parliament and all the formalities can be completed. So there's no doubt about the fact that it's been very strategically timed. But along with that, what remains to be seen is with how much urgency will the Supreme Court of India actually take up this matter, because what we are given to understand is that the Chief Justice of India, due to some health issues, has not been holding court for the past few days. But once he returns, the counsels for Justice Verma are going to make a mentioning before him, asking for this petition to be listed urgently. Now, as to whether or not the Chief Justice of India is going to allow that to happen is one thing to be seen. Another interesting aspect to watch out for is what will be the bench that will be formulated to look into this matter, because so far, Sneha, the Supreme Court's only been dealing with this issue on the administrative side. When the former Chief Justice of India had set up the in-house inquiry committee, the inquiry committee had done its entire investigation and had submitted its report. All of that was on the administrative side of the Supreme Court. This is the first time that this matter is now going to come up on the judicial side, because Justice Yashwant Verma has now filed this petition. Interestingly enough, his name in the court records has been redacted from the petition. It's mentioned as XXX instead of Justice Yashwant Verma's name. Sources within his legal team has told us that considering that this is a matter that's got to do with the sitting High Court judge, because Justice Yashwant Verma is still not resigned, neither has he retired, he's still a sitting judge of the Allahabad High Court. This is a normal procedure, also keeping in mind the sensitivity of the matter. So a lot to look forward to before the upcoming monsoon session, not only what happens before the Supreme Court of India, but also as to whether or not that's going to impact what happens before the Parliament.
All right, I'm going to leave it that for the moment. Nalini Sharma getting us those details. Next week is the monsoon session. Recommendations of impeachment already made. Remains to be seen whether he gets any relief in court or not, and whether that matter is taken up urgently or not by the Supreme Court.